Hello and welcome to Multibiomics. In my channel today, I'm starting a new journey and we will be learning together the single cell RNA-seq analysis and we'll be using the Seurat package in R. So before moving any further, I would like you to just uh, walk through what are the different things that are required. So first that is required is you have to install the Seurat packages. Now the Seurat packages are already installed in my system. Okay, but still those who are new to R, I will ask you to do these things. So you can go to session and first of all you have to set your working directory. So my working directory, just setting it, okay, single cell analysis. Right. So I've set my working directory. Here in files, you can see this is my working directory. And you open a new file as an R script, right? And I have provided you with the script in the WhatsApp and on the Google Classroom. So those who are not in the WhatsApp group, they can go to the Google Classroom and they can see. And those who don't have access to either, you can also look at this video and you can follow. Now, to install the required packages, you have to have this script with you. So here, if you type install.packages, Seurat, so the newest version will be installed. And after downloading or installing the Seurat package, there are some other packages which will help in your workflow. Although Seurat is independent and can work on its own, but there are some packages like BPCells, Presto, and glmGamPoi. This is very important for better workflow of your R package, right? And then there are other things for additional packages also that we'll be using in our coursework. So the code is here. So here these packages here will be installing as a remote package. So this is the code. You can copy paste and you can run as it is. If you have any issues regarding installation, you can message me in my WhatsApp or in my GitHub account or in LinkedIn. I'm available, or in the comment box below. Okay, so I'll just go through this, and I'm not going to install it again because all these packages are already installed in my laptop. So I hope uh, that this video was useful, and please install it, and then we'll proceed further with the further analysis part. Thank you. Have a nice day.